So first of all, before I get into this video, I want to, because this is going to be Thanksgiving week, I'm going to be posting this on Monday of Thanksgiving week. So I just want to, share out there that I'm grateful for a lot of things, grateful for this YouTube channel and everyone that comments on my channel, and just happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there and all your families and so on and so forth. And, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. So, on with the video. So this week here on my old green Ford, my plow truck, it needed some shocks. Couldn't really tell they were going bad, but they were. So more of an illustration video in this one. I already replaced, as you can see, the front ones. These are from BroncoGraveyard.com, Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I do believe these are called JBG shocks, and according to Bronco Graveyard's website, they are made in the USA. Now, I could not identify that on the shock themselves. Show you here in a second of the rear ones that I did not install yet. So here in front, and this is actually because I have the front ones installed already, and everybody will know who shock this is. I'll get to that in a second. But here's one of the, get a better view of it. This is one of the shocks from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. And I really don't know who makes it, but like I said, you can't really see. Just gives you the part numbers and stuff. If it for sure is made in USA, don't seem to be too bad a quality. We're going to give them a try. I am not affiliated with Jeff's Bronco Graveyard, but I'll give them some credit due. They had everything I needed in stock, all 4 shocks and a steering stabilizer, and I got them within a few days of shipping. Comparing that to the old Rancho, that's who's, as you can see, was on my truck. These were on my truck for at least 10 years. This truck plows snow. Is used very hard. That plow weighs anywhere from 600 to 800 pounds when I plow snow. You can see that, some videos of that plowing if you go down through my playlists of the channel. So anyway, as you can see here, one thing here, this Rancho, the piston or the shaft of the shock is a lot larger than what it is from the shock from Bronco Graveyard. So there's a difference there. That may not mean anything for the operation, but what I can tell you is, as you can see, this shock is definitely worn out, because it doesn't, see if I even pull it out, it doesn't really react anymore. The other one, over here it is, that one doesn't even, let's see, we'll do it this way. And we collapse it down. It don't even really come back out. So pretty much they're just wore out and shot. I don't know if Rancho would have warrantied them. I can't answer that. I really don't know. But anyway, I went with Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I bought some parts off of them before. They seem to be a reputable company. They're in the Midwest. I think it's Missouri. I didn't look that close. But anyway, seems to be like a good product. We're going to give them a try. We'll let you know in future videos on how they do on the truck, if they leak, whatever. If I go back to the front axle, as you can see, the boots did not come with the shocks. You had to buy them extra. They were $3 extra. But the shocks were $36 each about 2 weeks ago, week ago. And as you can see, I have them installed already. Really self-explanatory on how to install shocks. Basically, you remove the bolt. My case here, I have it on my lift. And basically what I did is I just cut them off, because there's usually the bolts that hold them on the top. Rust fast, seize fast, and you're not getting them off. So I'm sure there's a lot of videos on here how to install shocks. It's pretty much basic information. I'm not going to get into that. I just want to show you the shocks that I used on my plow truck. I'll have a video of what I'm going to be doing with the suspension in the future here in the next couple weeks or so on how to upgrade the suspension on the front of this truck for, making it stronger for the plow. We'll get to that in the future. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So this video will be posted Monday before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about GMEC. Don't forget to check out in the description down below. I'll put in a link to, you can go to Cub Cadet if you're interested in any parts or any products that they offer. I do not get paid for this. If I do get a sale, I will get a commission out of that. So this is not a sponsored video for them. Neither was the last one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and remember, this is GMEC. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.